So today I'll be explaining the unit circle and using my explanation to solve two problems. So I already have my unit circle drawn, so I'm going to start by filling it in. Let's think about what we know. We know that a full rotation of a circle is 360. So put this as degrees. We know that there are 4 quadrants. So to find the degrees for the other 3 points, we'll divide 360 by 4. And we get 90. So to find these degrees, we'll subtract 90 from 360. 90 minus 360 is 270 to get this degrees right here. Then we'll do 270 minus 90 to get 180 to get the degrees right here. Then we'll do 180 minus 90 to get 90 to get degrees right here. And we'll get 90 minus 90 to get 0 to get degrees right here. Now, we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. But we also know that the radius of a unit circle is 1. So now we can simplify our radian for 360 to just be 2 pi. So what we're going to do to find the other radians is take 2 pi and multiply by each quarter. So we're going to do 2 pi times 1 out of 4. And we're going to get 2 pi over 4. Cancel. And we're going to get pi over 2 for the radian for 90. For the next one, we're going to do 2 pi times 2 over 4. And we're going to get 4 pi over 4. We're going to cross cancel. We're going to cancel out, and we're going to be left with pi for 180. The radian for 180 is pi. For this one, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do 2 pi times 3 over 4. And we're going to get 6 pi over 4. Cancel out. And we're going to get 3 pi over 2 for the radian for 270. And since the degrees for the first one is 0, the radian for the first one will be 0. So because we focus on the first quadrant the most in math, we're just going to find the degrees and the radians for the first quadrant. So to figure this out, we're going to do 90 divided by 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to get 30 degrees. We're going to label this 30 degrees. We're going to do 90 divided by 2. And we're going to get 45 degrees. So we're going to label this degrees 45 degrees. And for this one, because both of these angles are equivalent, or degrees are equivalent, we're going to do 90 minus 30. We're going to be left with 60 degrees for this one. And to figure out the radians for these degrees, we're going to use a formula to turn degrees into radians, which is degrees times pi over 180. So we're going to do 30 degrees times pi over 180. Going to cross cancel. 30 going 31, 30 going to 180. 6 times. And we're going to be 60 times pi over 180. And we're going to do 60 going to 61. And we're going to do 180. 60 going to 180 3 times. And we're going to be left with pi over 3 for the radian for 60. Now to figure out the coordinates for each point, we know that r equals 1. And on the x-axis, x will be 1 and y will be 0. And up here on the y-axis, the radius is still equal to 1, so y would equal 1 and x would equal 0 on the y-axis. In the second quarter, we know that the y is positive and the x is negative, therefore it's still 1, but the x will be negative 1 and the y will be 0. And for the third quarter, we know that y and x is negative, but the x is 0, so the y will be negative 1. And a quick way to remember the coordinates for these 3 points is to divide each one by 2, to go down 1, 2, 3, and to go up 1, 2, 3, and divide our 3, our 2s, and our 3s. We wouldn't divide our 1s because 1 divided by 1 is 1. So we're going to use this unit circle to figure out these 2 problems. Sine negative pi over 3. So to use the identity for negative angles, we will do negative outside of the sign for pi over 3. We will look on our unit circle for pi over 3 and look for sine. Sine is equal to y. So pi over 3 and y is square root of 3 over 2. So negative sine equals square root of 3 over 2. Because this is a cosine or secant, we bring the negative over and it will equal negative 3 square root, negative square root 3 over 2 for our answer. And for our next problem, we have the inverse cosecant of negative 2 square root 3 over 3. So we know that cosecant is sine. So what we'll do is we'll take this inverse, we'll take this and put it as a negative outside. And we know that negative 2/3 over 3 is also means 2 over square root 3. And we also know that when you take the inverse, you take the reciprocal. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip it back. It's going to be sine square root 3 over 2. We want to look on our square root 3 over 2, which is right here. And we're going to look for our radian, which is pi over 3. So now that we know what the radian is, we're going to do negative sine over pi over 3. But again, it's not a cosine or a secant, so the negative stays and it becomes sine over negative pi over 3. And that's your answer.